I'ma see you again. But is that a good thing? 'Cause girl, I can't be your man. No, ma'am, I know what's on your brain.
Hey cousins, long time no see, but I'm back. Happy 2023, and we're hopping right into today's review. I have OUTRE's lace front unit in the style Shana. It's 16 inches and I have it in the color number 2. It does come with 2 standard combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps. It does come ear to ear. My head circumference is around 22 inches, and as you can see, the first con about this unit, and really the only con, is that the hairline is not pre-plucked. Another star of the show is this Eben spray. I will link it down below. I'm going to come through with a full review on it, so I don't want to talk about it too much, but spoiler alert, I'm liking it so far. So I'm going to hush and let you guys see how I applied this unit, and I'll come back and give you guys my overall review about this wig. Let's start with the basics. Again, this is OUTRE's lace front unit in the style Shana, color number 2. It's 16 inches. It is more of a silky texture. The luster goes so well with this unit. The style is more like barrel curls. It's giving like old Hollywood glam in my opinion, and it's absolutely gorgeous. This unit is beginner friendly, so if you are new to wigs or you just like a no fuss unit, this is perfect for you. I didn't get hardly any shedding. I'm telling you, like maybe 2 or 3 strands. You're not going to have to worry about too much shedding or tangling. I went in and added 2 little swoops on the side. This is a unit that you really can wear glueless. I appreciate that for everyday wear. Perfect for the office, special occasion. You can dress it up or dress it down. The longevity of this unit, I would say, if you handle it with care, you're going to definitely get at least 2 months or so wear if you're wearing it every day. And if you're like me and you switch your units out, you'll have this wig for time and time to come. You can wear this wig fluffed out, as you can see, or you can define the curls. I absolutely love units like this, so I'm just showing you guys the finished product, how it looks. It's definitely giving me like, girl, who is this? I'm fresh out the shop with it. Okay, I love it, love it, love it. And I'm showing you guys a couple styles because you can manipulate this unit and add a little claw clip to dress it up or dress it down. This unit retails for around 30 bucks. You cannot beat that. I will have some links provided for you in my description box, as well as a list of the products I use in my Amazon storefront. I want to thank you guys so much for rocking with me all these years. Happy 2023. We're not going to talk too much this year. We just going to do. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and come along for the ride. Thank you for watching. Y'all, this is the one. This is the one. I love it. It's giving classy.